4.44. And was I filming? I was filming, no way. Look, I wasn't. Just in case you think this is fake, I didn't read any scramble, I didn't read anything, I didn't plan anything. That was a random scramble. No way. Actually, April Fools. Early April Fools, kind of, sort of. Even though this wasn't planned as an April Fool's video. That was Drew Brads' 3.72 solve. And it is a super easy scramble because it's a 23-move solution. And it takes like any cuber that has really good TPS, like 5 seconds to solve. So that was in fact a memorized scramble that was faked. I want to make that absolutely clear. That was fake, just so I don't get like 10 dislikes or whatever.